Top airlines are raising concern about operational pressure. They indicate that if current conditions persist, flight operation across the country could be affected. The Federation of Indian Airlines has written to Ministry of Civil Aviation, highlight the need for intervention in aviation turbine fuel pricing to maintain stability in the sector. The FIA represents Air India, IndiGo and SpiceJet. A key factor behind this concern is the rise in the fuel cost. Aviation turbine fuel is one of the largest expenses for airline, accounting for nearly 40% of total operation cost. As a result, any increase in the prices has a direct impact on the airline finances. Tension in West Asia have pushed crude oil prices higher, while airspace restrictions have increased flying distances, leading to higher operational costs. Airlines point out that the current ATF pricing mechanism is creating an imbalance between domestic and international operations. According to FIA, the share of a fuel cost in a total operating expenses has increased from around 30 to 40%, as much as up to 55 to 60%. Even recent price caps have offered more limited relief. In a March, government capped the increase in the ATF prices for the domestic flight at Rs 50 per litre. However, international operation price rose by 73 rupees per litre. Noticeable impact, particularly on long-haul route. Airlines say the current pricing structure is making some route less viable and putting pressure on the margin, especially when competing with the international carriers. In the response, airlines are seeking policy adjustment. They have requested temporary suspension of 11% excise duty of ATF. They are also advocating for the return of a crackdown pricing mechanism, which helped limit sharp differences between crude oil and refined fuel prices, contributing to more stable costs. Additionally, airlines are calling for reduction in value-added tax across major aviation hubs. ATF prices vary significantly across the state due to different tax rates. Delhi imposes a VAT of 25% on the jet fuel, while Tamil Nadu has one of the highest rates at 29%. Other key cities such as Mumbai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and Kolkata fall within 60 to 20% rates. These 6 cities together account for more than half of the airline operation in India. Airlines suggest that addressing these tax differences could help improve cost consistency. If a current condition continue, airlines indicate there could be adjustment in the operation, including potential changes to flight frequencies, pricing, and connectivity. The broader concern is that the sustained fuel cost pressure may impact the overall efficiency of the aviation sector. Follow the economics and financial foresight strategy for more such operations.